Hey everyone, how's it going? It's Thomas Dunn here with Dunn's Forge out of Hartford, South Dakota. I just want to come to y'all today to let y'all know about the sting knives. All right, this here is William Sutton's sting knife. All right, if y'all can see it. It's got the beautiful blue dyed box elder burl handles. It's coyote tan finish. And the camera is backwards, so it's DF and then King Skull's logo. And each one of these knives are serialized. This one is number 27. Each one of these knives come with a declaration of authenticity card, okay? So, like I said, it is backwards, but King Skull's logo, my logo. So you ask, who is King Skull? King Skull is also another veteran-owned small business. Andrew Langnier out of Garrison, South Dakota, is about 20-something miles away from me. He's also a metal worker, welder. He specializes in AR 500 steel targets, CNC plasma cutting services, Cerakoting, powder coating services. Makes a ton of signs, patriotic signs, where, you know, branch of the military, American flags, all kinds of different styles, all kinds of stuff. Really great guy. So him and I collabed up to make the sting knives. And these sting knives are all made out of ADCR V2. They're all Cerakoted. We got a bunch black, coyote tan, and olive or multicam gray. And each one of these knives are customizable to where they come with either a black, coyote tan, olive drab, blood red, hunter orange, or stabilized wood handles, as in with Williams' knife, stabilized handles. They also come with the option of either black, coyote tan, olive drab, blood red, hunter orange, kydex sheath with the cost of the knife at $225, or for an extra $50 for a custom leather sheath made by me. These knives are all heat treated to about a 58 to 60 Rockwell hardness. They're all Cerakoted by King Skull. They're all laser engraved out of house until we buy our own. They're all serialized. So each one of these knives are $225 a piece. That helps with the cost of material, and that helps with King Skull and myself, our first collab, first knife run. So who am I? My name's Thomas Dunn, owner here of Dunn's Forge. I am a 5-year combat veteran, Marine Corps. I was with Fast Company. I was with 3-5. Now with 3-5, we went and cleared Sangin 2010, 2011. For those that know about Sangin, you know all about banging Sangin. For those who don't, please look up 3-5 Dark Horse, Sangin Valley. So that is who I am. Like I said, King Skull and myself are both veteran-owned small businesses. What we did last year, 10% of all the sales of the sting knives went to the Semper Fi Fund. Now this is a new year, which Happy New Year, by the way, y'all. Now it's 2021. And I was approached by William Sutton, aka Blue. I don't remember, he's part of a Marine Corps Legacy MC out of Chicago, I do believe. He told me about the Dark Horse Lodge, right? So I am wanting to find out more information about that, but I do know that is a great organization that helps out veterans. And as of right now, we're wanting to give away, or we're wanting to give 10% of the rest of what we have of profits to the Dark Horse Lodge. And if that's something y'all would be interested in too, help us help them. Because for every small batch that I personally do, or every collab that King Skull and myself does, we will be giving 10% away to a charity. And right now, for this whole year, for every small batch we do, 10% is going to the Dark Horse Lodge. Now, if you would personally like to donate to the Dark Horse Lodge, you can get in touch with myself, or I will find a representative, and then that way you can donate to them personally. But if you would like to help out two small veteran-owned businesses, help out myself also in future runs, and we're going to have some different types of runs. We're going to have some different colors, different choices, figure out what works best. Like I said, each one of these knives are pretty damn near perfect for EDC, everyday carry, for hunting, skinning, for preparing for a bug out bag. They all come with a kydex sheath, unless you do the custom leather sheath. And each kydex sheath comes with a tech lock. So, I mean, and even if you do order a custom leather sheath, they'll still come with a kydex sheath. And the tech lock, for y'all, though, for those who know about a tech lock, they are one of the best belt clips on the market. And I just became a dealer of Ulti-Clip, and Ulti-Clips are amazing clips as well. I use them for the pocket clips for my small little Havocs, but the Tech Locks are great for all around. You can clip them to your belt, to your molly straps, to if you got a truck accessory, a mount accessory, whatever the case is. Tech Locks are amazing, amazing belt clips. So we have those with every single knife. Comes with the Declaration of Authenticity card signed by King Skull and myself, and it tells you the models, the Sting, the blade, ADCR V2, handle G10, sheath Kydex, date of birth, which was December 1st of last year, and the serial number. So they all come with that. They all come with a lifetime warranty. They come with removable handle scales, a lifetime sharpening if you send it back to me, and then pay for shipping both ways, all that good stuff. If you are interested and you want to help out King Skull Metalworks and myself here at Dunn's Forge and help give 10% to the Dark Horse Lodge, please go to www.dunnsforge.com. Scroll down. It's one of the first ones. It's called a Sting knife, and choose what color handles, what color sheath you want. If you want a certain stabilized color, something that I have or something that I can get, purchase it, say stabilized wood, let me know in the notes or email me at dunnsforge07@gmail.com and let me know what type of color you're looking at. Right now I got a couple blues, quite a few reds and purples. I also got some other types of brown wood, from black walnut to maple to box elder burl, whatever the case is. I can also get other colors. But yeah, let me know what you think. Hit me up. Go to www.dunnsforge.com. Like I said, 10% of all proceeds. We have 28 knives left. 10% of all proceeds is going to the Dark Horse Lodge from here on out for every single batch we do this year. So thank y'all for following along. If you order, thank y'all for ordering. Give my page a like. Give King Skull Metalworks a like. I'll have that linked in the description. Hit me up.